This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harne. Unbeatable value meets luxury. This gorgeous summerwood floor plan in Somerset at the Plantation is not just a house, it's an incredible opportunity to secure your slice of Florida paradise at an amazing price. Priced competitively for immediate interest, this spectacular 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3-car garage pool home also includes a flex room, easily convertible to a 4th bedroom, offering a host of premium, installed upgrades that save you time and money. Enjoy the seamless indoor-outdoor flow provided by zero-corner sliders leading to the expansive, extended lanai, which features a premium outdoor kitchen with gas grill and sink, and electric hurricane screens, all high-value extras included. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream with upgraded stainless steel appliances, 42 whitewood cabinets with pull-out shelves, a large island, and subway tile backsplash. Crucially, this home is fully protected and ready to go with impact windows and doors and electric roll-down screens on the lanai. Additional upgrades include a 4-foot garage extension, striking stone front elevation, custom lighting, a central house vacuum, Sonos speakers in the lanai, custom landscape lighting, and a full wall of custom built-in garage storage. The HOA fees deliver extraordinary value by covering cable, internet, lawn mowing and fertilizing, landscape trimming, and exterior pest control. Residents enjoy access to a wide range of amenities including a fitness center, pool, and sauna. Somerset at the Plantation Golf and Country Club is a gated community featuring a clubhouse, restaurant, resort-style pool/spa, social clubs, a Herds and Fry Championship 18-hole golf course, optional membership available, tennis and pickleball courts, including league play, and bocce ball. This is an opportunity knocking. Don't miss your chance to step into this luxury lifestyle conveniently located near I-75, shopping, restaurants, the airport, and beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harne at 239-482-5700.